Meet FlexiBin, the fast, simple, versatile way to get rid of your waste. Just pick up a FlexiBin from your local hardware store, unfold it, and you're ready to go. Everything you need to know is on the back of the pack or on the label on the bag. Choosing the right spot makes collection safe and easy. Start by placing your FlexiBin in a clear, open area with nothing overhead. No tree branches, no power lines. Perfect. A clear sky and open space. If anything is hanging above your bin, we won't be able to collect it. Next, make sure there's a clear path for our truck. We need at least 4 meters of driveway width and 9 meters of height. When the driveway is wide and open, we can reach your bin easily. But if access is blocked or the driveway is too narrow, our team simply can't get in. Keep the path clear of cars, trailers and anything else that might get in the way. If we can't get to the bin safely, we won't be able to collect it. When you're ready to start filling, begin with heavy items first. Things like soil, rubble, bricks and broken tiles. Then add lighter waste on top. Make sure you don't fill up past the edge of the bin. Nothing should stick out over the edges. An overfilled FlexiBin can't be collected. You can load garden waste, DIY offcuts, appliances, furniture, and most household junk. Just keep hazardous items out. No paint, chemicals, gas bottles, car batteries, or tyres. When your FlexiBin is full and ready to go, book your pickup online. Collection can happen anytime between 5 working days after your order. Our driver will arrive, lift your FlexiBin safely, and take everything away. Easy! FlexiBin. Buy it from your local store, fill it at your own pace, book collection when you're ready, and we'll take care of the rest. Check placement guidelines and book your pickup from flexibin.co.nz.